What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com, home of the #1 crypto classes. If you want to take this complex world of crypto, make it super simple so that you have more success, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell, and everybody hit that thumbs up button. Look, there's a lot of panic. It's pandemonium. There's a lot of blood in the streets. However, Bitcoin has just entered a golden zone. What does that mean? What should you do about it? All of that and more on this video. Welcome in to everybody around the world. I hope you're staying level-headed. This is a really difficult time. Hence, this bonus video. As you know, we only do videos every single Wednesday, rain or shine, and I'm a man of my word, and we always will do videos on Wednesday. But I wanted to do something to go above and beyond, show some support for you in our community, and let you know that I'm here for you, and we're in this together. This is uncharted territories. What's happening not only in the financial markets, which we've seen happen from time to time, but on top of that, the coronavirus has added a very complex layer of panic and fear. And I just want to be here to let you know that we're in this together. We're in this together. And everybody in this community is here for each other. And this is a safe place. But I have some really important things to share with you in the charts that maybe will brighten your day a little bit. But always stay level-headed, whether it's in your personal life, but especially with trading. So those of you that are my students, you received an email. I hope that made everybody feel better. But let's get into these charts, and we can talk more and more about it as we continue. But this is really uncharted territories. This is really uncharted territories. Now, let's talk about this golden zone. Okay, so what you have in front of you right now is the Gaussian channel, right? The Gaussian channel, we are on the BLX chart so that we can get a lot of data. The Gaussian channel, as we've talked about many times, is pretty critical. It's pretty critical. When we enter the Gaussian channel, normally we're in the channel or below the channel for, on average, 1 year. Meaning we entered the Gaussian channel over here in August and we stayed in it for over a year, in it or below it. When we go below it, oftentimes it represents a pretty substantial buying opportunity. We'll call it the golden zone. We'll show it to you from a few different charts, but I want to make it really clear what the golden zone is for, what it represents, and more specifically, who it's for, because it may not be for you. So when you enter what we refer to as the golden zone, it's the channel below the Gaussian channel, which means that we've seen some pretty substantial moves to the downside, and this is where we generally bottom out historically. So in the history of Bitcoin, 9 to 10 years, we've been in this, quote, golden zone 2 times. We've just entered it for a 3rd time. Now, if you bought anywhere in this golden zone back here in 2014, 2015, you look like a superhero. However, this is not for day traders. This is not for swing traders. Okay? What I will reference is when you enter a golden zone, does it mean prices can continue down? Absolutely, because we've done it every single time we've entered a golden zone. That's why this is for long-term investors. If you want to be in crypto for the next 5 to 10 years and you're looking for pretty solid buying opportunities, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. This is just common sense. Okay? These opportunities right now are pretty good in the big picture. Now, you may say, well, Steve, this is a different situation, and I'll agree. It is a different situation. However, we can only base the buying and selling on the facts and the charts and not anything on the outside. There's a lot of blood in the streets. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of panic. And at those moments where it feels the most stress and the strongest sense to sell is oftentimes one of the historic times to buy. And you can ask yourself, because you probably were in crypto around this time, it felt stressful. It felt overwhelming. But that was a pretty incredible time to buy. There's always going to be some outside factors and things like the halvening and all these different factors coming in that if you avoid all of that noise and just focus on a scientific approach and only the facts and the charts, it will often lead you in the right direction, but you will always be on the other side of the fence where we like to be. So the golden zone is this zone below the Gaussian channel. We didn't enter it back here in 2011 or 2010. We entered the Gaussian channel, but not below, right? Not below. This is the channel where we were in below, showing a substantial fall, a very large correction. Same with here. Now we're going to show it to you from a few different angles, but let's just take a quick look that we've just fallen into it. Again, somebody will say, oh my God, Steve said we entered the golden zone, but tomorrow prices went down. This is not for tomorrow. It's not for next week. If you have the mindset that this means buy for tomorrow, buy for next week, make quick cash, you've completely missed the boat on exactly what this stands for. This is for long-term investors, not day traders, not swing traders. This is an historical opportunity for buying anywhere in the zone. Even if prices did go down, if you bought anywhere in the zone, this was a pretty substantial play on your part. Now, let's partner that with the RSI. And again, this is on a weekly chart. When the RSI goes below our white level down here and is in a golden zone, it represents a pretty substantial time. Now, let's just take a quick look at this white line is at 35 on the weekly. For the RSI, we historically have gone through this level only a few times in history, meaning it was really, really oversold. Everybody was selling, the herd was selling, and there was panic. If you go back in time and watch any videos from this time, there was a lot of panic and a tremendous amount of fear, but it represented the best opportunities. The best opportunities. Back here, we weren't below the Gaussian channel. We came close, we weren't below. Here, we were, and here we were, and we've just peeked our head below. Now, what I will say is, I just want to say to the community, thank you for letting me make the kind of videos I like to make that are really always on the other side of the fence and not popular belief and, you know, sometimes maybe a little crazy. But I just want to say thank you. I just want to say thank you for showing me support and letting me be me. And it brings us to this chart. And this probably looks familiar to you. And again, this is a video where the community let me be me. We made this almost 4 months ago. Just take a quick listen.
There's two levels that will save us. Number one, 6.4K. If we can hold this over the next couple months, things are looking pretty good. The next level to watch, if we break 6.4, there's one level that will very likely go directly to, and that's the bodies of 2018 and 2019. The bodies on the downside tell a distinct story, and that's that 3005, 3007 area.
So just thank you to the community for letting me make videos like this that might get people very anxious, but we ended up coming down to exactly the bodies of those two candles because we took 5 steps back and we only looked at the charts and we avoided all the news and we just looked at the facts. So thank you to the community. I do want to show you from one other angle. This is another golden zone angle where you can pull it up on your chart and you can track this and see how we're going. Before we get further into that, I just want to point out that our birthday sale is ending in 23 hours. We have the countdown clock here, and you can see the normal price for the gold is 3,600 and change, and you can get it for this price, especially if you pay with Bitcoin or Ethereum. So it's I made these classes so you don't have all the mistakes that I made when I was younger in starting and investing. I started when I was 16. I basically made every mistake in the book because I was a stupid 16-year-old kid. And over the last 19 years, I've really developed a really incredible strategy that I've been sharing with others, and it's really helping people all around the world. So I hope that I can help you as well. Now with the golden zone, this is the 21 month moving average. Anytime we've been below the 21 month, it's represented a golden zone. And again, with the 21 month, we can't go all the way back here, but we can use logic to say that these one or two candles were below it way back here in 2011. You can see that we've entered the golden zone here back in October 2014 and got out of it in October 2015. 1 year in the golden zone. Again, does the golden zone mean prices can't go down further? Absolutely not. That's completely not the point. But again, this is good news in a really hard time. All right? This is good news in a really hard time. Historically, these are great opportunities. And again, we entered the golden zone here, and this was a different situation. We had that 20K top. We came all the way down to the 200-week moving average, and we didn't form the correct market structure. We went on a major move to the upside. This was pretty substantial. This was very substantial, and everybody got very excited. And we tried to keep everybody level-headed. That's what we try to do on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and show some support. We're always keeping you level-headed and the people to the right of you and to the left of you. And we did so with this move too, because it didn't follow protocol. This was very different than what we've seen and how we've reacted before coming out of a bear market. So we warned everybody with this video. And again, just thank you for letting me make the type of videos I like to make and showing support. We made this video warning the Bitcoin bull run will be much shorter than you think. We made this video on July 10th, 9 months ago. We made this video 9 months ago when the price was just about 13,000, and we're down 69% from that video. So just always look at the facts on the charts. It's really easy to get attached to the emotion. Oh my God, Bitcoin's going to the moon, and really jump on that wagon of going to the moon and hype. Emotion is a money killer. Always stay level-headed. Always look at the facts in the charts. Always the facts in the charts. I want you to really always focus on that. That will lead you in the right direction. Of course, I want Bitcoin to go to the moon. You want Bitcoin to go to the moon, but that's emotion. What do the charts say? And right now, the charts are saying we've entered a golden zone. Plain and simple. It's a very scary time. It's uncharted territories, but these are just the facts. Now, this chart, a lot is going on in this chart. We have a substantial cross here. We have caught support here, and we also have a death cross coming. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to cover exactly what this cross is, what does it mean, where do we find support, what do we expect, because a death cross is coming. What does it mean? What should you prepare for? So I wanted to do this video to show you a couple things, just to let you know I'm here for you. This is a tough time, and I'm trying to do everything I can possibly do to be here for you and our community. So I hope you appreciate it. We only do videos on Wednesdays. We did an extra video on last Thursday. So we did 2 last week, and then this video, and we're definitely doing one tomorrow because I'm a man of my word. Rain or shine, every Wednesday, you can count on me every single Wednesday, no matter what. So we're going to be doing another video tomorrow, and we have a lot to share. It'll be our normal video. So hit that subscribe button. You don't want to be late to this information, and hit that thumbs up, everybody. Last but not least, I just want to share with you, we have a review here coming in from Robert. He's not a financial advisor, because a financial advisor would make you 5 to 10% per year on your investment, and I've witnessed other students doubling their money and beyond in just a few months. So again, just 24 hours or 23 hours left. I made these videos for the sole purpose of not letting you make all the mistakes that I made, and protect your money and save your money and then grow your money. So this is what I've built over the last 19 years. I put my blood, sweat, and tears in it. If you like my YouTube videos, you will freaking love the classes. If you love these YouTube videos, you're going to be blown away. Plain and simple. If you have any questions, just write me an email. You guys know what we're offering. We have the diamond combo and the gold combo, but it's just 23 hours left. The website is here, cryptocrewuniversity.com. Pause the video so you can look at that. And the info at cryptocrewuniversity.com is the email. If you have any questions, I'll be standing by right now. And I hope that you got my email yesterday. Again, I'm just trying to be here for the community and provide some clarity and some different views on the charts, whether they're usually not popular, but they're from the heart, and they're no BS, and they're only the facts and the charts. So I know you appreciate them, and have a beautiful day. We'll see you right back here tomorrow. Double dose. Crypto Crew University will be back in action Wednesday as always. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love to the Crypto Crew.